Many thanks for joining us on the news tonight. Let's begin in Bayelsa State, where the two parties in the legal tussle for the governorship ticket of the All Progressives Congress APC say they are appealing the judgment of the Federal High Court Yenagoa.
Justice Jane Inyang had disqualified them, describing the process as flawed and not validly conducted. We have details in this report.
Mr. Lyon David Perewirin Mini, who scored 42,138 votes.
The declaration of the result by the Secretary of the Election Committee, Senator Emmanuel Ocheja, instead of the chairman and governor of Yobe State, Mai Malabuni, was a major point in the judgment delivered by Justice Jane Inyang. She chastised the committee for not adhering to the guidelines of the party, describing the primary as flawed and not validly conducted.
The courts going ahead to give orders that were not asked for or prayed for by either of the parties is, to say the least, a travesty of justice. The courts went ahead to just hinge the ruling or the outcome on just one issue as to who declared or announced the result or signed the result. That's just the single issue. And that is not the lone issue on which this case is premised or predicated upon. That is not it. And we are saying we are appealing it instantly.
The court said the primaries of the All Progressives Congress conducted for the governorship elections in Bayelsa State on the 4th of September were not conducted in accordance with the guidelines and constitution of the party. It's strange. For now, the pronouncement of the court is that APC has a candidate.
Some members of the campaign organization of David Lyon were also in court.
A judge went ahead to give what the plaintiff didn't even request, cancelling the primaries that was legitimately conducted. So we reject the judgment. As much as possible, the judgment will be appealed. And assuredly, our party faithful should remain steadfast. We're going to get victory come November 16th.
We are not deterred. We are preparing for the election come Saturday because we are appealing the process immediately. So I will ask every APC supporter not to be worried. We should prepare for the election and go for the election, and we'll definitely win this election.
Senator Lokpobiri addressed his supporters shortly after the judgment of the Federal High Court.
You did primary, we won at the world level, results were collated at the world level and at the local government level. The law allows you, gives you the power to look at these results and decide who is the true winner of the primary. Today, all of us were expecting that the court would decide that based on the evidence before the court, Lokpobiri is the candidate of the APC, so that we can go ahead on Saturday to go and win the election. I've conferred with the lawyers. The lawyers are looking, at the processes, and they are going to file a notice of appeal today.
Yet another twist to the political drama unfolding in the arena of Bayelsa in the build-up to the governorship election on Saturday, where the All Progressives Congress wants to appeal the judgment of Justice Jane Inyang. Ovieteme George, TVC News, Yenagoa.